Today, September 24th, steel has arrived. Full truckload of steel being craned now onto the building. Today is going to be very busy. So this is good. Our steel has arrived and things are really happening. Standing in the theater, the boys are upfilling the theater, and right behind them is the steel. There's the steel being lowered. So it's a very busy site today. Hope to upfill the theater soon and have our steel on soon. Standing on the second floor, overlooking the dances and drama rooms, and the guys are placing the block, so we'll be ready for precast on Wednesday. So precast is coming over in this area, and also over by the other side of the theater next to the gym. So Wednesday we'll have precast started in these areas. And here we are. Our electrical vault has finally arrived. Putting it into place now. So that's a good sign. Once the vault is in place, we will trench out to the road for the duct bank. This is good news now. We do now have our vault. Good stuff.